I am going to discuss about the drug picture of acetic acid, common name glacial acetic acid. Before coming to the symptom, I am going to discuss about two incidents. The first incident, a young woman took a small quantity of acetic acid daily to reduce her size. But actually what happened to her is that she lost flesh and color. Within a month, the symptom like cough, congested phlegm, fever, dyspnea, night sweat, anorexia, dropsy, diarrhea. Finally, death. What was the cause of death? It is non-suppurative tuberculosis. From this, that is, the lady become thin, that is lost flesh, that is constitution, thin or lean, that is anorexia, that is marasmus, thin, anorexia, that is marasmus like symptom. Then next one sphere of action we got, that is from cough, dyspnea and action on lung, that is non-suppurative tuberculosis. That acetic acid have action on respiratory symptom like dyspnea, cough and non-suppurative tuberculosis. Then it's also indicated for dropsy and fever and night sweats. Then coming to the next incident, that is a young German was working for last 12 months in a vinegar factory. He's noticed that he's complained with the indigestion, dyspnea and fatigue. That is indigestion cause surely finally leading to anemia. That is anemia cause dyspnea and fatigue. This indigestion cause the person become lean and great prostration, that is become fatigue. That is we got the symptom prostration, become thin, that is constitution, lean, dyspnea, that is action on respiration. So it is suited for the children and old people, this lax, pale and lean persons. Then coming to the constitution, we already discussed the person is lean, that is undergo indigestion, loss of flesh, that is adapted to the pale lean person with the lax flabby muscle, face pale and waxy. And also marasmus and other wasting disease of children. We already discussed this symptom from that two incident, that is indigestion cause lean, that is loss of flesh, that is become thin, that is anorexia, that is marasmus like syndrome, that is person become lean, marasmus, flabby muscle with lax flabby muscles and other wasting disease of children. Then first an important physical generals of acetic acid is hemorrhage. Hemorrhage from every mucous outlet, that is from nose, throat, lungs, stomach and bowels and uterus, it is meteorrhagia and vicarious menstruation and traumatic epistaxis. Such a type of such a blood loss surely going to anemic and this person surely going to fatigue. This is already discussed about the fatigue in that German man, young man. That is hemorrhage leading to the next physical general, that is prostration, great prostration after injuries, that is from injury there will be great hemorrhage. So it causes prostration and also given after anesthetics. The first physical general is hemorrhage, then prostration, then thirst. There will be intense burning thirst, that is thirst for large quantity of water, thirst in dropsy, diabetes and chronic diarrhea. But an unusual type of thirst, that is there is no thirst in fever. They cannot sleep lying on bed because a sensation of sinking in their abdomen that causing dyspnea. So They feeling better while lying on belly. That is, usually they cannot lying on back, but when lying on the belly, they feel better. Why they are not lying on back? Because a sensation of sinking that causes dyspnea. Then coming to the stomach symptom. It is indicator for the pregnant women, that is sore belching and vomiting of pregnancy, burning water brush, and profuse salivation with the day and night. It is profuse salivation with the day and night. It is also indicated for diarrhea. Diarrhea will be copious. Diarrhea cause exhausting with great thirst. Thus with dropsy, typhus and phthisis, and with night sweats. Then coming to the respiratory symptom, we already discussed about the cough, dyspnea, and the tubercles on lung. That is a true group with a hissing respiration. The cough will be at the time of inhalation. That is in acetic acid at the time of inhalation. The inhalation of vapor cider vinegar has been successfully used in croup and is also successfully used in malignant diphtheria. That is, cough with inhalation is an important respiratory symptom of acetic acid is similar to spongia. Coming to the fever of acetic acid, hectic fever, skin will be dry and hot. There will be red spot on left cheek and drenching night sweats. Then relationship of acetic acid. It antidote, anesthetic vapor, fumes of charcoal and gas, opium and stramonium, and is also antidote carbolic acid. Is follow well after the cinchona in hemorrhages and after digitalis in dropsy. It aggravates the symptom when we given for headache from belladonna.